Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Yaki Udon. Yaki Udon is a basic Japanese stir-fried udon noodle dish which you can make with vegetables and meat or seafood, whatever the ingredients you like. I will keep the recipe really simple so that you can modify this recipe to your taste. However, I know it is difficult for some people to modify it into vegan version or whatever. So in the next video, I will share with you how to make it in a vegan version. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. You can use any vegetables you like. If you have no idea what to use, I have a list of vegetables in the description box, so please check it out. Most Japanese people have fish cake in the fridge, so I'm going to add it, but it's optional. Now you need 2 packages of fresh udon noodles. Wash to release the noodles. Long time no see, if you remember my frying panda. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Cook the pork until no longer pink. Add vegetables and chikuwa fish cake and cook until tender. Then add udon noodles. It's nothing sponsored. I found this kombu dashi powder makes this dish really tasty, so you have to try it out. Then add soy sauce, pepper if you like, serve on a dish. Top with bonito flakes if you like. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. どうお肉は？
好きだし。
そう、お肉と野菜どっちが美味しかった？
こっち。
こっち美味しかった？
めっちゃ大きい。あ、
そうだね。
ちょっと待って。
はい。
みんな、タミシ好きな人はチャンネル登録をね、よろしくね。